Hello everybody, welcome to SS Multimedia. I'll be your own Paul, and today we're going to be talking about fractions, number lines. Objective: understanding fractions on the number lines. So today we're not going to be locating fractions. All we're going to do is we're just going to plot fractions on the number line, just like, so this is 0, this is 1. Let's say we had 1, 2. This is the third, this is the total. This would be 3 thirds, and all we're doing is just plotting them. So we're doing 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. So today I'm going to teach you or practice how we can do that. Let's get started. So our first problem, how we're going to do this is we're just going to count first to make the total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't mean this is 5. This is 6. So there's total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total is 6, 6, also known as 1. Now, let's plot a number line starting from 0. So this would be 1, 6. This would be 2. This would be 3, also known as 1/2, 4, 5, and then 6, 6 is right here. So as you can see how I plotted this, first figure out the total, and the total is the denominator, and then all I'm doing is just counting from 0 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the denominator is staying the same. Now, let's do that with this next problem. Let's see the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4/4 is the total. Now let's start counting. So this would be 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Sorry for that noise. And next, let's do some problem time. So I hope everybody got an understanding of that. Basically what we're trying to do here is we're just trying to plot fractions on the number lines and the easiest way to do that is find the total first. Let's count how many are there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total will be 7 sevens. And now let's start counting. Let me get my pen out. So this would be 1 7, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 4 sevens, 5 sevens, 6 sevens. So all I did was I just plotted the numbers down from 0 to 1. Now, what I suggest when your teacher is teaching this type of lesson is to make sure you know the total. If the denominator is the total, then you'll get the fractions really easy. The denominator stays the same, so don't change the denominator. Don't even think about it. Just find out what the denominator is, the total, and then from there just count from 0 to the total. So it would not be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not like 0 to 1, like 0.1, 0.2, not like that. The total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all you're doing on the top, the numerator is just counting. So you're doing 1. You're just basically counting to the number 7. So let's do that with our next problem here. Let's find the total. There's 1, 2, 3. So 3 thirds is the total. And now let's just count. This is 1/3. This is 2/3. That's 3/3. Now, let's move on to number 4. Number 4. This total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 5. Sorry, you can't see that. That was a little bad. My pen was not working. Let's get rid of that. Okay, this would be 5, 5. The total. Now start counting those. This would be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and then 5/5. Now the great thing about fractions, you can jot them in different ways. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. It doesn't really matter. If you are from America, you'd probably learn it this way. And you're from like other countries like England, Europe, Asia, you're probably going to learn it this way. Learn it like 1/5. So it doesn't really matter, both are correct ways, and it won't affect your problem getting wrong or right. So just remember that. Move on to our next one. Find the total first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the total. Try to count. So this would be 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. And when you're doing fraction number lines, you want to make sure you put 0 right here and 1 right here. So you always remember that, okay, so then this side is going to be the total and this side we're going to start from. So you don't forget and you don't do it mixed up, because sometimes if you do it like that, you'll get the problem wrong and that's a big headache. So we don't want you guys to do that. Now, let's do a few more problems. Let's count the total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the total. And now let's start counting. So this will be 1 ninth, 2 ninths, 3 ninths, 4 ninths. Sorry, let me just erase that so you guys can probably see that. And you're probably thinking fractions is really hard. I'll never get fractions. But once you learn fractions, fractions are really easy. All you have to do is just practice. 4 ninths, 5 ninths, 6 ninths, 7 ninths, 8 ninths, and then the total. Now, when you're dealing with fractions on a number line, you don't have to worry about simplifying. Like 6 ninths can be simplified by 3, so you don't have to worry about doing that on number lines. So, just don't worry about that. Just do it normally. Just count from 1 to 9. So don't even think about that. Let's do the next one. Just count the total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 5 is the total. Now start counting. So this is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. Let's do 2 more problems here, just because I want to. Let me draw a number line, and I'm going to teach you how we can do that. So this 1 here, 1 here. Let me draw. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 is going to be total. So this is going to be 10 tens. Now let me get my other color here and let's start aligning them. So this is going to be 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, and then 10 tenths the total. So basically, it's a really easy concept. You guys shouldn't be so confused about it. And when you're dealing with fractions on number lines, just don't simplify them. Don't even think, because so many kids think, oh, 5 tenths can be simplified to 1/2. So let me just put that on the number line instead of putting 5 tenths. Don't even worry about that, because sometimes your teacher gets confused and you'll get it wrong. So just don't worry about that. And now let's do your turn. So what I want you guys to do is pause the video and try it out yourself, and you keep your answer on a piece of paper, and I will also do it too. So pause the video and try this out. So assume you've paused the video, let's give it a try. Let's first find the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total is 10 tenths again. Now all you have to do is just line them up. So 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths. Sorry, I'm used to putting 1 tenth like that, so force of habit. 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, and then 10 tenths. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abiram Palam. Comment down below how we can make our videos better, and look out for the 3rd grade videos, 4th grade and 5th grade. All of 5th grade is out now. So if you're still not going to school and you're going to 5th grade, watch those videos, get a head start, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.